Today we are going to learn how to integrate Acquire Android Core SDK. First of all, open Acquire's developer page and navigate to Android. Link is provided in description. Now select any integration you want to proceed with. In this video, we are opening Core SDK integration. Starting a new project in Android Studio. And now navigating to Project's Gradle file. Here we have to add Acquire's Maven URL. To app level Gradle file, we need to add required dependencies and sync the project. Now we need to create an application subclass to our project. And defining application class to our Android manifest file. To initialize Acquire SDK by calling init function inside onCreate. Setting up set show default fab button to true to check the integration. Let's run the app.